As you can imagine, their deaths have brought a tremendous sadness to their community.
All the while, people there are working to recover from that devastating flooding. News Center Maine's Jack Molmed spent the day in Mexico as the cleanup there continues.
This is a common sound throughout Mexico and Rumford these days.
We're giving the town of Mexico a hand and pumping out a few cellars over here on Osgood and Dix Ave.
Also a common sight is Eric with the Roxbury Fire Department going door to door and taking care of flood damage.
Still trying to get people's power back on.
Because for many homes, this is the reality. 3 to 5 feet of water in their basements, mud everywhere.
It's pretty devastating. I mean, it's winter time, it's Christmas time. Not everybody's prepared to do this.
And up the hill, safe from the flooding, Altered Ego Hair Salon is stepping up to help.
Collecting donations for the flood disasters.
Clothes and toys, and doing their part after a devastating flood tore their community apart. So walking around the towns of Mexico and Rumford 4 days after this massive flood, it's hard to tell how truly devastating this thing was. But take a look at this photo sent in to us from somebody who lives in Mexico. You can see the water level is actually 4 feet high here in front of the hardware store. And based off that photo, you can see just how far back the devastating flood went, probably by about a quarter mile or so.
Definitely, everybody got hit hard with this.
Which leads us to the warming shelters. Dozens of people have flooded homes and are still without power. Toys and clothes from the salon end up here.
It was crazy.
Take Brittany McQuinn, who hasn't had power since Monday.
It was a lot of confusion, a lot of being in awe of the damage that was done to the community that I've grown to love.
Like many others, all she can do is wait and remember the losses.
Being a single mom, there's not a lot I can do. I only have so much to work with. So what presents I do have will be late, so it'll be an interesting Christmas.
But also counting the remaining blessings she does have.
See the camaraderie of the state of Maine coming together to support people and help people in need.
In Mexico, Jack Molmed, News Center Maine.